Square Website Builder. How to use Square Website Builder. So hello there and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to talk about Squarespace website builder, where you can easily make website without having any previously coding knowledge. So let's get started. First of all, you have to head over to squarespace.com. At the top you can see the address. Just simply search for squarespace.com and you will be redirected to this site. So after appearing on the site, here you can see this option get started. Also at the top right corner you can also see this get started option, and there's another option of logging in. So if you have ever previously used Squarespace, then you can just log in if you want. Also you can just get started like a fully fresh starting. So I'm going to tap on to get started. So now let's tap onto that. What is our site about? So if you have to enter some basic questions. So this is one of them. You have to answer some questions, for example maybe 3 questions. I'm gonna tap onto design, then I'm gonna tap onto next, then I'm gonna tap onto like what do I want to do with my website. I'm gonna tap onto the things that I wish to, then I'm gonna tap finish. So things is gonna up. Now you can see continue with Google, continue with email. I'm gonna there's another options, more options to logging in. Just choose the preferred method of yours, like here is the Apple, Facebook, etc. For making this video shorter, I'm gonna just tap onto Google and I'm gonna go with it to make this video less longer. So as you can see, things are being set it up. So let's wait until the setting up is completed. So there we go. Now it is creating an AI generated image for our website, our need. Now you have to enter some questions here like your brand, personality, professional, playful, or sophisticated, friendly, bold, quickly. I'm going to tap onto professional. Now you have to enter your site details. So now you have to tap next. So after tapping onto next, as you can see, it is now loading our AI images. So I'm going to tap onto intro section, product section, services section, appointment section. I'm going to enter digital product section, social section, and lastly footer section. Then you have to tap next, and you can choose your add pages to your site, etc. All of them. You can add appointments also if you wish to. So that's it. Now let's tap next. Now you have to choose a color plate from here. Just scroll down and choose the color plate that you wish to add. For me, I would like to add this one. Okay, this one is perfect. So I'm going to tap onto this. Now let's tap continue. Now lastly, you have to choose a font pairing. So I'm going to tap onto this one. Okay, this one is pretty nice. Also there are other ones available, but as I want to make a professional one, so this is much more professional. Okay, this one is much more professional, so I'm going to just tap on it and tap finish. So as you can see, it is now gathering our pages, it is saving your colors, and that's it. Now it is generating a website for ours, well, for you. So let's wait, and there we go. This is and this is the website of yours. That, let's go to Control Z. Now you can customize this text if you wish to, but before that we're gonna go exit it, and let me show you the basic template. So this is how it looks like. As you can see, its price, your etc. Now let's say you want to edit this. So at the top left corner here you can see this edit option right here. This one, just simply tap on to edit. So there we go. Now you can edit everything, every single inch and pieces of the site. As you can see, for example, you want to change these images, just tap onto this. You can delete this image, and from here you can just upload an image. But let's go back. So this is the image, but for now I would not like to delete this image, but instead I would like to embed it with a link. So here you can see this option, edit link. Just tap onto it, and from there you can enter your edit link option right here, like your URL. just copy. If you want, you can do it like you can just copy any other websites if you're doing affiliate marketing. So here you can see, you can just read them, you can enter shop link here, just enter the link. For example, let me add my Shopify store link from here, just copy it and then paste it up over here and then tap enter, done. Then whenever someone will click this link, they will be redirected to my Shopify store. And now let's say I want to edit some background images, so here you can see you can remove the section. If you want, you can also check out layouts from here. So as you can see, but I think previous one was better, so I'm gonna just keep it up like that. You can edit sections if you want to, your row count, your gap, your fill screen from here. So this is what it looks like. Then you can just customize every single thing by tapping onto it. You can edit text, you can change the color of the text from here, you can choose custom color. For example, let me just make it bigger like this, and that's it. So just edit them according to your need. And lastly, at the top right corner, you can see the site styles. You can check the styles, you can change it if you wish to from here. So that's pretty much it. And lastly, you just have to save it up. If you have saved it up right here from here, as you can see, my website is being published, and that's it. Now you can check out also the mobile preview. So this is what my website will look like. So that's it. Now let me go, and that's it. So this is how you can make a website using Squarespace very easily. So as we can see, my website is being saved right now. So that's it. And now you know how you can create a website without having any previous coding knowledge. So if this video was helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And let me know in the comment section that what type of videos you want to see in future. Also let me know that if this video was helpful or not. And if you want a more briefly described video on Squarespace, let me know that too. I will make one as soon as possible. So that is pretty much it. Now let's go back from here, and that's it. And from here you can tap onto this option preview. You can check out your pages and etc. You can schedule to publish it. So goodbye, see you on to another video. And as always, happy exploring and keep watching our videos. So goodbye.